I fucking emailed this man 31 pictures of all the bullshit that was fucked up in her apartment. Jazz, are you okay? Are you okay, Jazz? Oh my God. Are you okay? Oh, drive, park. Are you okay?
但你用自己指引就。
你老母！
佢而家唔撚喐喎。
What are you doing? What are you doing? You are turning in the middle of the... You're turning in the middle of the intersection. What the hell are you doing? What the hell are you doing?
Sorry about that. Somebody hit me too.
I don't know what the you're doing. Good job. Got a great fuck. Good job. Moron. Yeah, keep on. Wow. It's cold. Yeah, keep on. Wow. It's cold.
Call 911.
For what?
They're fighting.
Switch lanes, bro. I look at my watch, though.
Here, can you record?
Are you going to ride a bike in the bike lane or not?
Move! What are you doing? Idiot! You didn't even get there!
Good for you, bro. When you get the ticket, I'm gonna see your face. Bicycle lane, huh? Bicycle lane with this car. Uh-oh, bicycle cannot pass you. She said, this is my birthday. I don't want to get out. Why I'm going? Because it's a bicycle lane.
TVR, TVR, TVR. TVR. Your kid's in the car.
Definitely wasn't.
Stupid, man. Stay over the hood. Yeah. Stay.